Good morning, one and all. I am Yagna of class 7B from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, EFA Dundigal. Culture and tradition of Haryana. About Haryana. Haryana is a state in India with its capital city as Chandigarh. It is located in the northern part of the country. Its area is about 44,212 kilometers square and it is the 16th most populated state in the country. Major cities include Faridabad, Gurgaon and Panipat. Origin. Haryana was founded on 1st November 1966. Haryana means Hari, Lord Vishnu, Ayana, home, the abode of God. History. Haryana has a proud history going back to the Vedic age. The state was the home of the legendary Bharata dynasty which gave the name Bharat to India. Haryana finds its mention in the epic of Mahabharata. Kurukshetra, the place where the epic battle between Kauravas and Pandavas is situated in Haryana. Language. The official language of Haryana is Hindi. Several other languages include Haryanvi, spoken in central and eastern part, Hindustani, spoken in the northeast, Bhagri, spoken in the west, and Ahirwati, spoken in the south. Some speak Urdu and Punjabi. Farming. The main crops which are grown in Haryana are wheat, paddy, sugarcane, etc. Haryanvi cuisine. Few of the Haryanvi cuisine include methi gajar, सिंगरी की सब्जी, बेसन की मसाला रोटी, मिक्स्ड दाल, etc. Dresses. Women's traditional dress is ghagra and men's traditional dress is kurti and dhoti. In this picture, we can see that a woman is wearing ghagra and a man is wearing kurta and dhoti. Rivers. The most famous river which flows through Haryana is Yamuna River. Festivals. Lohri. Lohri, the harvest festival celebrated on January 13th every year, marks an end to the winter and the time of harvest of the crops. Baisakhi is also an harvest festival which is celebrated in both Punjab and Haryana. Places to be visited in Haryana. Gurgaon, Kurukshetra, Panipat. The place Panipat is famous for its Battle of Panipat, in which the Mughal Emperor Babur defeated the Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi, in the year 1526. Thank you all very much indeed.